How to swap mirrors on your 2015 Chevrolet 2500. First, you will need to remove the weather strip from the top of the door like the mechanic will do here. Also, he is showing how to do this with the window still up. It would be a much easier job with the window all the way down. Make sure to do that first. If you're interested in purchasing any of the tools or mirrors he is using in this video, then click the Amazon link below. Next, we will begin to remove the door panel. It is held on by 6 bolts that are all 7mm. Remove them as the mechanic will show you here. What he is pointing at here are the covers needed to be removed to access the bolts. Now, this front plastic cover can be difficult to remove. It is held on by plastic clips that can easily break, so be sure to take your time and do not force anything. It also helps to have clip removing tools like the mechanic has here. We can now remove the bolts. The last 2 are at the bottom of the door panel. Now, with a wedge and clip removing tool, carefully pop the door panel away from the door. Again, these are held on by mostly plastic, so take your time. It is difficult to remove with the weather strip still holding at the top. Work with both pieces until they are both free. Once you are ready to remove the door panel, lift up to pull from the door. Now, you can see several things still holding. The door cable, the plug-in for the speakers, the plug for the mirrors, and the door lock rod. Remove all of these as the mechanic does here, to get the door panel out of the way. You can now see the wiring harness coming from the mirror. Pop the clips out holding it to the door. Here the mechanic points at the 3 nuts holding the mirror on the door. Remove them now, but be sure to hold the mirror so it doesn't fall off onto the ground. The mirror was still being held on by the clip on the outside shown here. We are now ready to install the new mirror. Feed the wiring through the center hole and line the studs up with the remaining bolt holes on the door. Tighten the bolts to 80-inch pounds. After tightening the mirror, inspect the outside to make sure all seals are against the door and mirror so no water can get between. Be sure to secure the mirror wiring harness to the door. You don't want them to come loose later down the road. You are now ready to install the door panel. Be sure to install the door latch cable. Plug plug-ins for speaker and mirrors and door lock rod. Put all 7 bolts in and covers over the bolts. Also be sure to put the weather strip over the top. I hope this video helps you guys. Please give us a like and subscribe, and enjoy your new mirrors.